Morning, I'm Zadin Unisha and you're watching NE Premier English News.
Today's headline: Group Weber's worksheet inaugurated. Civil society organization called 12 hours band in protest against shifting of Deputy Commissioner office. Sports Authority of India coach coaching CASA Athletic Academics athlete. News details. Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM of KASC Difu, inaugurated the Group Weber's worksheet at Langlong Cherok Difu, which is followed by ceremonial distribution of grant in aid to Webers of the area. In his speech, CEM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang said that his government is promoting the local domestic industries and make them gradually self-reliant under handloom and textile. Handloom and textile is the oldest tradition industry of the district, which need to be patronized, and his government will leave no stone unturned to revive this weaving industry. He distributed handlooms and accessories among the weavers. On this occasion, Mr. Roton Teron, EM, in charge of handloom and textile, Mr. Richard Togby, board chairman, and MSc, departmental officials were present in the occasion. The Dimapur-based civil society organization CSOs under the aegis of Dimapur District Citizen Forum DDCF has served an ultimatum to Nagaland Chief Minister demanding to abandon the plant of shifting logistically located Dimapur Deputy Commissioner's office. In protest of shifting Dimapur Deputy Commissioner's office, branch, cell, etc. to Mauki Dima, the ultimatum has been signed by 12 Dimapur-based CSOs. Dimapur Urban Council Chairman Federation DUCCF, Sumi Council Dimapur, Dimapur Naga Students Union, Naga Council Dimapur, Eastern Nagaland People's Union, Jebis Union Dimapur, Sosenso Telonjem Dimapur, Naga Women Hoho Dimapur, Kachari Tribal Council Nagaland Dimapur, Dimapur Eastern Naga Students Union, and Kota Hoho submitted to Deputy Commissioners Rajesh Soundarajan. The above organization called a 12-hour shutdown of all business establishments. As per ultimatum, in spite of repeated representation against relocation of DC's office, the Home Department on September 7th issued a notification for shifting of the District Election Office and Disaster Management Cell to the new DC complex. Besides this, it is instructed to District Administration to make necessary arrangements to shift the other branches to the new complex at the earliest. This shifting would entail tremendous hardship for the citizens of Dimapur, as more than 50% of the total population of Dimapur district live under Dimapur Chadar division, added CSO. Authority of India SAI, coach of Tinsukia Region Athletics, Mr. Uttam Hendik started coaching Group A and Group B athletes of CASA Athletic Academy Difu. The coaching was inaugurated in presence of Chief Coach Mrs. Pokila Ingtipi and Joint Secretary CASA Mr. Joy Singh Toki and Mr. Sikari Ingti. Mrs. Pokila Ingtipi requested to send the coach in order to accustom our athletes with the latest technique in different athletic disciplines, so that our local youths of Karbi Anglong can compete in national and international competitions.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 23, 4,
5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 34.
Hercules, somebody, Hercules. Only one leg.